Hello dear students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. So welcome to you all. In today's session we are going to discuss about the mathematical representation of signal waveform. Good morning Kalyan. Before that we will discuss about the impulse signal properties. I think one or two questions we are left with the last properties, and we will discuss the doublet signal properties, and after that we will start the mathematical representation of signal waveform, where I am going to teach you how to write a mathematical equation from the curve and how to make the curve from the mathematical equation. It is basic foundation of signals and system. If you know this, it will eventually helpful for the Laplace transform also, Fourier transform also. So in chapter number 1, whatever we are discussing, dear student, this is foundation. You cannot afford these foundation types of lecture. Good morning Kalyan. So let's start the session. Today's class I am going to start with in the last class we have seen the properties of impulse signal. So these all are the questions we have already completed till the last session, dear student. In today's class I am going to start the class with this question. I think this was the last question of last session. Now I am going to start today's session with this question. All of you try to attempt. I am quite sure that Kalyan, you can easily solve this question. Kalyan, just give your true attempt, beta. Try to solve it. Try to solve this question, guys. Try to solve this question fast. Good morning, Thiru. Good morning, Kalyan. Try to solve this question fast. So here, the first thing that you need to make sure that whenever del function is having the scaling factor, you have to take outside. So here you will get minus infinity to infinity. Here you will get t square plus 1 upon t cube whole bracket. And here you should write sine of pi t and dot del of, if I will take outside minus 16, then what I will get inside, guys? If minus 16 is outside now, then I will get actually t minus 4 upon 16 only. Because minus 16 is already outside, so the inside minus 4 by 16 value you will get. So ultimately you should write here root of 4 by 3. Here 1 by 16 with mode, 1 by 16 with mode, that is positive sign only. And here 4 by 16 is nothing but 1 by 4. So you can directly say that, sir, here after solving this, I need to replace 1 by 4. I need to replace 1 by 4 wherever is t. So where is t? Here is t, here is t, here is t. You need to replace the t with 1 by 4 only. So your final answer will be look like this. Here is 1 by 4 ka whole square plus 1 upon 1 by 4 ka whole cube, and here you will get sine of pi into t means 1 by 4 only, so pi by 4. Is it clear or not, beta Kalyan? Yes or no? Kalyan, just do reply yes or no. Is it clear till now? Now finally you can replace like this, root of 4 by 3, 1 by 16 here. Root of 4 by 3 is nothing but, root 4 is nothing but 2 only. But when you will take the LCM here, what you will get ultimately, guys? Actually it is 1 square upon 4 square, so you will actually get 1 plus 4 whole square upon, here again the LCM part, 4 cube. So here actually you have 4 square and here you will get actually 4 cube. So this 4 power, this square and square will get cancel out. So here 4 square into 1, so 4 square cancel out. Only 1 4 will left here, and sine pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by root 2 only. So just simplify this, guys. Just simplify this. Tell me what you will get here. Just simplify this and tell me what you will get here. So ultimately I can see here I will get actually answer 2 upon root 3. I can write like this. 1 by 16 is already outside. 1 by 16 already outside. Here we have to, student, when you will take the LCM na, 4 ka whole square, 16 plus 1, 17 you will get in numerator. Okay, numerator 17. And one more 4 is there. One more 4 is here, sir. Yes, in the numerator one more 4 is there. And in denominator we have a root 2 like this. Okay, sir. Yeah. So what you can do, guys, you can just multiply 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Yeah, 2 ja 16. So ultimately I will get 17 upon. Ultimately what I will get? 8 2 ja 16. So from here your ultimate answer will be 17 upon root 3 root 2. So I should write root 6. And here one more 2. So if I want to ultimately write denominator term in square root, then I can write here root 4 also. So root 4 and 6 4 are 24. So answer is 17 upon root 24. Answer is 17 upon root 24, and it is nothing but option number D for Delhi. 17 upon root 24. Kalyan, are you getting the option number D, beta? How many of you are getting option number D? Do reply fast. How many of you getting option number D? Just do reply fast. All of you guys, just let me know. Shall we go for next? All of you guys, just let me know. Shall we go for next? So I think this question we have completed already. Now we are going for the next, guys, and next we should write the property that is known as doublet signal. So if I talk about the doublet signal, it is nothing but the differentiation of impulse signal. It is nothing but the differentiation of impulse signal. So if I will make a line, here, just do reply, guys. Impulse signal, you all know that. I will make a simple line here. If I will draw the impulse signal here actually. I will make the impulse signal here, and just below to this I will make a doublet signal. Just below to this I will make a doublet signal. So how can we relate, my dear student? How can we relate doublet signals and all? First of all, you need to tell me, as far as impulse signal is concerned, you all know that sir, impulse signal is represented by a very small rectangular pulse. You all know that sir, impulse signal is represented by a very small rectangular pulse. So let me take that rectangular pulse is like this. This is my small rectangular pulse, which is having inverse width and height property. You know this, which is having inverse width and height property. So if this is my if this is my impulse function, then it is minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2 location. So overall time duration will be tau, and the height is nothing but 1 by tau. So that is why we know that yes, sir, impulse signal is always having a unity area. So minus infinity to infinity, del t dt will be always 1. So this is one of the important property of the impulse signal, that the area of the impulse signal is always unity. Yes or no, Kanyan? Now you know that sir, as far as tau approaches to 0, we can say that as tau approaching to 0, your magnitude 1 by tau approaching to infinity. So that is why exactly at t equal to 0, the impulse magnitude approaching to infinity. Now ut, because we already completed step signal also, so can I write the equation? Can I write right now the equation of the impulse signal in terms of ut? So I can write the del t function where limit tau tends to 0, and I can write the equation as a u of t plus tau by tau minus u of t minus tau by tau. Yeah. This equation I can write or not, just do reply fast. This is a rectangular pulse equation, so I should write u of t plus tau by tau, and after that u of t minus tau by tau. So I will get a rectangular pulse, and here if the tau terms is 0, then it will definitely 1 by tau infinity, and the magnitude part I am writing here 1 by tau. If tau tends to 0, something upon 0 infinity. So this is the equation of del t as far as this curve is concerned. Now student, if I will differentiate it, del dash t, if I will differentiate it now, then the limit tau tends to 0 as it is, 1 by tau also as it is. Here we have a step nature, and ideally we know that yes. So ideally student, we know that whenever you will differentiate this, you will get del of t plus tau by tau minus del of t minus tau by tau, bracket close. Yeah. And student, if I will make the curve exactly at the location of this, so what I will get minus tau by tau I will get here location of plus tau by tau. So here we should write plus 1 by tau location impulse. So the differentiation is nothing but 1 by tau having the magnitude of this impulse, and here the magnitude is minus 1 by tau of this impulse. Yeah. Is this clear or not, bachcho? But here the limit goes to tau tends to 0. It means when tau approaching to 0, this term actually coming to this part, and when tau coming to 0, this term is coming to this part. So exactly at t equal to 0, what will happen, guys? So we can say that, sir, exactly at doublet function you will get in this box, doublet function you will get in this box, sir, exactly at t equal to 0, this plus this 1 by 0 will give you infinity value, or this value 1 by tau minus के साथ it will give you minus infinity value. So t is not equal to 0, it is 0. So doublet function at t equal to 0 achieving infinity or minus infinity. Infinity or minus infinity. But one thing we can make sure that the area of doublet signal is always equal to 0, because the positive area going to be compensate the negative area. So here we can say that, sir, this is again an important property, that doublet signal is having the area 0, because this positive area, negative area will compensate. So answer will be 0 only. So as far as doublet signal is concerned, it is represented by this box as well as this property. Similarly, if I talk about the impulse signal, at t equal to 0 it goes to infinity. At t equal to 0 it goes to infinity, and area equal to what? 1 only. Area equal to what? 1 only. Is it clear or not, bachcho? Just do reply fast, Kalyan. So this is nothing but my doublet signal. I think it is clear to you. Shall we go for next, pyare bachcho? Just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next, guys? Just do reply. Am I audible? Kalyan, yes, sir. So student, now I am making a conclusion कि sir, the doublet signal is having the area minus infinity to infinity. Doublet signal is area having 0 only. Okay, so this is the important one property for the doublet signal. Now we are going for the next upcoming properties for the doublet signal. So I want to derive one property, so I am writing this, कि sir, ft dot del t, and I want to perform differentiation here. I want to perform differentiation here. So because both the functions are time only, what I will do, I will write in a right hand side part. So first function I am differentiating first f dash t and del t as it is, and next I am writing plus, this time ft I am writing as it is, and differentiating this del dash t. And what is my object? I just want to find out the multiplication property of doublet signal. It means my object is what? I want ft dot del dash t. I want ft dot del dash t. This is I am looking for. I am looking for ft dot del dash t multiplication properties that I am looking for. So what I will do here, when you will apply the property, ft dot del t is nothing but f0 del t. So you can take outside this f0, and inside the bracket you will get d by dt into del t is nothing but del dash t. And here also again del t impulse signal multiplied with any time domain signal, you will get f dash 0 del t, because if I will take it as a zt into del t is nothing but z0 into del t. So here you will get actually f dash in t will replace as 0, here you will get del t, and this is the only term that you are looking for. So ft dot del dash t. I am looking for this property, this derivation, the derivation of this property. So I will arrange this in the left hand side. So I am writing this ft dot del dash t, and remaining part I will arrange in the left hand side. So left hand side already I have f0 into del dash t and minus I will write again f dash 0 into del t. Yeah. Dash 0 into del t. Yeah. All of you guys just do reply. Is it clear or not? All of you guys just do reply. Is it clear or not? Am I audible? So now this is a property ft dot del dash t is nothing but f0 del dash t minus f dash 0 del t. This is very important property. You have to just write down this property. And if you know this property, I am asking a first example to you. I am just asking a simple question to you. Please find out t square dot del dash t. Can you apply this, guys? And can you please tell me what is the answer? Just let me know what is the answer, guys. You reply first. I am expecting answer, Kalyan. Just do reply, beta. Just do reply fast, guys. What is the answer for t square dot del dash t? You just apply this property, you will get the answer. So just apply this. So here you will get, actually this is nothing but working as a ft. Now it is working as a ft actually. So what you should write? You should write f0 matlab t square at t equal to 0, and here you should write del dash t. And minus, when you will differentiate this, you will get 2t. Again you need to put t equal to 0 and del t. So when you will put t equal to 0, this is also 0, 0 minus 0, so your answer will be 0 only. All of you guys just do reply. Is it clear or not? Very nice, Kalyan beta, very nice. Even if I will ask about t cube, t4, it always becomes 0 only. So you can make a note whether we have t to the power n into del dash t. What is the important note? T to the power n into del dash t, t to the power n into del dash t will be always equal to 0, will be always equal to 0 if n is greater than 1. If n is greater than 1. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why not equal to? Because if I will write, if I will find t dot del dash t, then you need to tell me what you will get, guys. If this is working as an ft, if this is working as an ft, then you know the property. Property says that, sir, I am writing property here in this side. Property says that ft dot del dash t is nothing but f0 into del dash t minus f dash 0 minus f dash 0 into del t. This is the only property that you all know. This is the only property that you all know. Yeah. So now, dear student, what you will do this, you just need to write here, okay, t, and I need to put t equal to 0, and here you will get del dash t. And minus, student, when you will differentiate this, so you will get 1, and here you need to put t equal to 0, and you will get here del t. So ultimately this term will become 0, but this term will become minus del t itself. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is t dot del dash t will be equal to minus del t only. T dot del dash t will be equal to minus del t. This is again a very important property. I hope you are getting this. All of you guys, please do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Tell me, Kalyan, you are getting this or not, beta? You are getting this or not? You guys completed this or not? I hope you guys already completed this till now. Yes, sir, completed. Very good. So now, student, this answer, the value of this already we have calculated this 0 only. The value of this t dot del dash t is nothing but minus del t, already we have calculated. Now, what is the answer of cos t del dash t, guys? Here ft is nothing but cos t, you know the property. So first of all, f0 del dash t, first of all f0 del dash t matlab cos 0 is nothing but 1 into del dash t minus differentiation of cos. Differentiation of cos is nothing but minus sine, yes or no? Sine cos minus sine. But why it is not important? Why? Because when we put t equal to 0, sine 0 will be 0 only, and here you will have del t only. Here you will have del t only. So ultimately it will become 0 only, sine 0 0, so minus plus 0 0 0 only. So answer is equivalent to del dash t. So cos t dot del dash t is nothing but del dash t only. आया ना? हाँ या ना? क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है कल्याण, वेरी नाइस. Kalyan is absolutely correct for this. Chalo Kalyan, just try to solve this now. Just try to solve this now, beta. So property says that, sir, ft matlab ye e to the power minus 2t working as a ft. So ft is the t equal to 0 equal to del dash multiply with del dash t minus differentiation of this. So when you will differentiate, you will get minus 2 outside e to the power minus 2t, and here you will put t equal to 0 and dot del t only. Yeah. So what you will get ultimately, guys? Ultimately, sir, e to the power 0. E to the power 0 is nothing but 1. So answer is del dash t minus plus 2. E to the power 0 is 1 only and del t. So this will become the answer. Is it clear or not? Is this clear or not, pyare bachcho? हाँ या ना? Kalyan, you are getting this or not, beta? Just mathematical calculation. Is this clear? Is this crystal clear? Chaliye. So now here what you need to do, guys? We have to write like this, sir, cos square 2t plus pi dot, you can take outside t, so inside the bracket you will get t plus 1 into del dash t. So why I am taking outside? Because here I am having cos square 2t plus pi and dot, I am also having t plus 1 as it is. Now what is t dot del dash t? Tell me, guys. What is t dot when you will take outside t na? T dot del dash t. What is this t dot del dash t? Come on, guys. T dot del dash t. What is t dot? What is this t dot del dash t? It is nothing but minus del dash t. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Know this. Just apply the property. So when you will apply the property, I think this part is visible to you. So ultimately you should write cos square into 2t plus pi into t plus 1. T del dash t is nothing but minus sign के साथ del t. Now it is completely working as an ft. So ft into del t is nothing but f0 del t. F0 del t. I am having space here. So what you will get ultimately with having negative sign, sir, when you will apply here time 0, so it will be cos square pi and t0 matlab cos square pi. So cos pi is minus 1. So minus 1 ka whole square plus 1. So answer is nothing but minus 1. Because minus sign is already outside, na? Because minus sign is already outside, na? Cos square pi, yes or no? Final answer is minus 1. Kalyan, is it clear? Final answer is minus 1. Kalyan, is it clear? Do reply, pyare bachcho, हाँ या ना? चलिए. So very soon we will start the mathematical representation of signal waveform. So if I talk about now integration property, first of all I should know this property. So I am having this property, so I am writing this property here. Ft dot del d. It means this is a multiplication property of doublet signal. It is a multiplication property of doublet signal. So if I will perform integration here from minus infinity to infinity, integration here, you know that it is equivalent to what? So it is equivalent to actually f0 into del dash t minus f dash 0 into del t. And if I will perform integration here also from minus infinity to infinity dt, from minus infinity to infinity dt. If I will do this, what I will get? I will get the first property f0 outside and del t. Tell me what? The first I will get f0 outside and I will get minus infinity to infinity del dash t into dt. This is the first term I am getting. Minus this f dash 0 will be also outside the bracket and inside I will get minus infinity to infinity del t dt. So it is nothing but the equivalent of this, guys. So in the left hand side the property is equivalent minus infinity to infinity f of t dot del dash t dt should be equal to what? Tell me. So what you will get, ki sir, this area of the doublet signal is always 0. Area of the doublet signal is always 0 minus what you will get here? You will get here f dash 0. You will get here f dash 0. So what about the area of impulse signal? The area of impulse signal will be 1 only. So that is why your final expression is equal to only f dash 0. So that is why final answer is minus infinity to infinity ft dot del dash t dt ये del dash t dt ये. So minus infinity to infinity ft dot del dash t dt equal to minus का f dash 0. Minus का f dash 0 ये. This is my final answer. So this is the property, guys. I hope it is clear to you. Shall we go for next now? Here also I can modify the property. I can replace the del impulse doublet signal location as well. So if I will ask the minus infinity to infinity ft dot del dash t minus t naught into dt, then your final answer will be minus phi f dash t and time t equal to is nothing but t naught. So you can also write like this, it is nothing but minus ka f dash t naught. That's it. Earlier it is minus ka f dash 0 because doublet function located at 0. Here doublet function location is t naught. So you need to take differentiation and put t equal to t naught with negative sign. This is the only answer, guys. Yeah. This is the only answer, guys. Yeah. I hope this is clear to you now. I hope this is clear to you, crystal clear to all of you, I hope. Guys, do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Just do reply fast. Just let me know. Shall we go for next? Chaliye. So again, now I am going for next. Can you solve this question, guys, fast? Kalyan beta, tell me what is the answer of this? So as I write right now only, it is nothing but f dash t naught. That is the only answer. What is ft? Sir, this is nothing but ft. So when you will differentiate, you will get actually minus 2 into e to the power minus 2t, and here you need to put t equal to t naught, and here t naught value is nothing but 2. What is the final answer? The final answer is nothing but what, guys? Tell me. So when you will put 2 na, it will become actually minus ka 2 and e to the power minus ka 4. Yeah. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Shall we go for next, pyare bachcho? Just do reply fast. Shall we go for next, pyare bachcho? Just do reply fast. Bolo, bolo, bolo. Yes. Chaliye. So next we are looking for the scaling property. Ki what is doublet del of del dash at? What is del dash at? So we are starting with this. What is t dot del dash t, guys? It is nothing but minus del t. It is nothing but minus del t. Okay? Now here, student, if I will replace t with at, here I will replace t with at. Then wherever is t, I must write at. So I am writing here at into del dash at is equal to minus del at. Yeah. Yes or no? So ultimately now I am looking for this only. So the rest part I will cross multiply. So I am looking for del dash at is equal to minus ka. Here I can apply the property. So 1 by mod of a outside the bracket, and here I am only del t. I am only having del t. And student, when I will cross multiply, a also multiplied here. So here it is nothing but it is nothing but minus sign already outside, mod of a तो already था, यहाँ a भी आ गया, and multiply with t also. Yeah. Now do you know student, from this I can, if I will cross multiply this t na, then I can also say that कि sir del dash t is nothing but minus का del t upon t, minus का del t upon t. ये minus का del t upon t is nothing but del dash t, बोलो हाँ या ना? Is it clear or not बेटा? Minus का del dash t is equal to minus का del t upon t, बोलो हाँ या ना? It means what you will get till here, sir, you will get here minus ka del t upon t is nothing but del dash t. So ultimate expression will be del dash at. Del dash at is equal to what, guys? Del dash at is equal to, minus sign is already covered here, so you can replace with del dash t, and upon you will get mod a into a. Yeah. So this is the final impulse property, guys. This is the final impulse property. So you should write like that, del dash at is equal to, del dash at is equal to 1 upon a dot mod of a dot del dash t. So this is again the important property of scaling property in doublet. Doublet scaling properties, guys. Just try to complete it. Once you will complete, just do reply beta. Once you will complete, just do reply beta. Once you will complete, just do reply. Just do reply, guys. All of you guys, just let me know. Shall we go for next, प्यारे बच्चों? Just do reply. Audible or not? Kalyan, you are getting this. Del dash at is equal to 1 by a into mod of a into del dash t. ये important property of impulse. Important property of impulse. ये. Now just try to attempt this. So here you will write this, कि sir minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus 2t dot del dash 2 you can take outside. So inside the bracket you will get t minus 1 into dt. So now student, you can write the a factor is nothing but 2 only. So it will take outside, you can take outside this 1 by mod of 2 into 2, and earlier last inside the bracket, inside the integration, you can write e to the power minus 2t, e to the power minus 2t dot del dash of t minus 1 into tt. Is it clear or not, guys? So it will be 1 2 to the 4. It will be 2 to the 4. And here when you will apply the property, guys, what you will get minus differentiation of this. So minus 2 e to the power minus 2t, it is differentiation f dash t at t equal to t naught. मतलब क्या, यहाँ t naught का वैल्यू कितना है, 1 है, बस ये आंसर है. This is the only answer, guys. So answer will be 1 by 4 multiply with, when you will put t naught 1, so it will be minus minus plus 2 e to the power minus 2. So answer will be half, 2 to the cancel हो गया. So 1 by 2 into e to the power minus 2. ये 1 by 2 into e to the power minus 2. Is it clear? Kalyan? Beta, yes or no? So I think, प्यारे बच्चों, till here you don't have any single doubt. I think till here you guys don't have any single doubt. Shall we go for next, प्यारे बच्चों? Yes. चलिए. So now you should make a heading, guys, mathematical representation of signal waveform. Mathematical representation of signal waveform. Here you will get the amazing, we'll discuss the amazing short trick, and you will get to know how to write the mathematical equation in terms of step signal, ramp signal or impulse signal. So student, I am starting the first question here. This is very much important. And I am starting with very basic question, and we will increase the difficulty level by question, by slide by slide. Okay. So this is the first question, student. In the first 3 questions, you need to just need to have a patience. First 3 questions you need to just listen carefully. After the 4th question, you can also write the you can also write the mathematical equation. So student, wherever we have a upward direction, like this upward type of direction, we will take the positive sign, and whenever we will have a downward type of direction, you will take negative sign. Okay. So as far as signs are concerned, it will responsible by the upward and downward direction. So right now I am before the zero, I am having with zero signal only, but I need to reach my black signal, so I need to travel like this. So here is the upward direction, so that is why I should take the plus sign. Whenever we have a ramp type of nature, dear student, we have to take the slope. And what is the slope? Difference in y upon difference in x. So difference in y is 2, difference in x is 1. So slope is nothing but 2. So I should write here slope 2. The location of the nature of the signal is ramp, so twice of r, and location of movement is 0, so twice of rt minus 0. Yeah. So now I am writing twice of rt minus 0. I am just enjoying here. I am just going at this path. Now till this point I have already mentioned the equation, but exactly at t equal to 1 there will be a change in slope. So whatever slope you have added here, now the nature of signal is no more ramp. It means whatever signal you have added, whatever ramp slope you have added here, now it's time to compensate. So here is downward sign. To follow the black line, you have to come downward. Downward matlab minus sign. What was the last line slope? 2 only. So I am taking 2 only. And here is what is the movement, what is the location of movement? 1 only. So I should write here twice of r of t minus 1, because this r is coming to this downward, so that is why minus, and location of this. Now that's all guys. Now you are traveling here and till infinity it is going like this. So this is the only equation for the first question. This is the only equation for the first question. Many students think that ki sir yahan step nature they are writing, it is wrong only. It is wrong only. So this is the only equation guys. I am also writing here in a short form. I can also simply write twice rt minus 0 is nothing but twice of rt, is nothing but twice of rt, and here I can write minus ka twice of r of t minus 1. Yeah. So xt is equal to twice of rt minus ka twice of rt minus 1. That's it. All of you guys, please do reply fast. Shall we go for next? All of you guys, please do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Guys, just let me know. Shall we go for next? This is the first question. Kalyan? Yes, sir. Now, second question, student here. This is the second question. Student here, this line is actually intersecting with 2 and then going to infinity like this only. Going to infinity like this only. Yeah. Like this only it is going. Like this only it is going. So again, you have to start just like earlier, because as far as is question, if you will start just like the last question, you need to just start this question as the last question only. So as far as starting is concerned, there is no difference between this question and last question. So now student, you can make this direction positive. So what you will get? You will get the slope is difference in y upon difference in x. So slope is twice, location of the movement is 0. So twice of rt minus 0. Now here we are traveling like this. Now student, you need to come to downward first like this. So when you will come to downward minus sign, what was the last line slope? 2 only. So location of movement is 1. So you should write twice of r of t minus 1 like this. Now you are at this place, but you have to follow the black line. So again you are coming to downward, it means minus. What is the last line slope guys? 2 only, because now what is this line slope now? 1 selected, 2 difference is 1, and this slope is this distance is 2. So again you should write 2 upon 1. So here is 2 and the location of movement is 1, it means twice of rt minus 1. And now we are traveling like this, we are enjoying like this. So ultimate equation can be twice into r of t minus, because here ramp nature is same and the base value is same, t minus 1, t minus 1. So that is why I can add minus 2 will become minus 4 r of t minus 1. So this is my final equation of xt guys. So this is my final equation of xt. I hope it is clear. I hope example number 2 is also crystal clear to you. I hope guys example number 2 is clear to you. Just do reply Kalyan. You should take your time for making the diagram and writing the equation. Make the neat and clean diagram and after write the equation. Make a neat and clean diagram and after write the equation. Okay. Just do reply, प्यारे बच्चों. Shall we go for next? Yes. So now tell me what about this? Find mathematical equation of xt. Here we have changes. Here this line after 3 it will be 0 only. But the last curve is not exactly 0 at 2. It is intersecting, but it is not intersecting. It is after 3 it will be 0 only. So again I will start with just like the previous. Again the slope is here. The slope is 2 only. So I should write twice of r of t minus 0 because the location of moment is 0. Right now we are traveling like this. So first of all we have to compensate the last slope. That is why we have come to downward to red line, to this red line. Now coming downward, it means minus sign. What was the last line slope? 2. So I should write 2 into r of t minus 1. Twice into r of t minus 1 location. Again you need to come downward here. You need to touch this line. You need to touch this line. So when you will touch this line, you again minus sign. What is the slope? Difference in y upon difference in x. What is the difference between 3 and 1? 2. So difference in y 2 upon 2 is nothing but 1. So I should write here minus 1 and the location of moment is nothing but 1. So r of t minus 1. Yeah. So now I am traveling here guys. Now I am traveling here. So if this line is travel like this, I have to go upward direction. Upward direction matlab plus sign. Upward direction matlab plus sign. So what is the slope guys? Plus 1 into r of t minus 3. Yeah. Plus 1 into r of t minus 3. So this is your final curve guys. You can write the final equation just like here. You can write the final equation just like twice of r of t. Twice of rt. You should write again. Minus 2 and minus 1 will become minus 3 rt minus 1. So you should write minus 3 into r of t minus 1. Minus 3 into rt minus 1. Plus 1 into rt minus 3. So you should write plus 1 into r of t minus 3. So this is nothing but your final equation guys. This is nothing but your final equation. You are getting the same or not beta? Bolo beta हाँ या ना Kalyan? Exactly getting same or not? Exactly same to same or not? Are you guys getting same to same? Are you all guys getting same to same this value? Just do reply. Are you all guys getting same to same value? Just do reply. बोलो भाई बोलो yes or no? चलिए. Kalyan, is it clear or not beta? Just do reply so that we can go for next. I will be more happy if you will reply fast and if you will increase the number of live. You just share your experience so the other student will also come in the live manner. Otherwise, we don't have motivation to teach in a live class. Tell me guys for this. It is nothing but the shifted version for the example number 1. It is example number 4. It is a shifted version of example number 1. So student, first of all, you have to achieve this value. So when you will reach at this 2 value and actually this 2 value magnitude only and only carrying the right hand side part, because before 0 it is 0 only. So I must say that xt is first of all equivalent to twice of ut. Why twice of ut? Because I want to reach that 2 level. And after that student, you have to check the slope. What is the slope of this line? Difference in y upon difference in x. So 2 and 3, 0 and 1. So here what is the slope? Here tell me guys what is the slope? Difference in y upon difference in x. So 1 into 1, 1. So slope is nothing but plus 1 into, here what you will write guys? Twice of ut as it is, sir. Twice of ut as it is. And now increasing the slope 1. So I am writing plus because of upward symbol plus 1 into r of t minus 0. So plus 1 into rt. Now I am writing here this curve is going like this and downward now. So you will get minus ka r of t and location of moment is 1. So minus ka r of t minus. So now your final equation can be what guys? Now your final equation can be xt equal to twice of ut, xt equal to twice of ut plus r of t, twice of ut plus r of t minus r of t minus 1. Yeah. So this is nothing but your final equation guys. This is nothing but your final equation xt. All of you guys do reply fast. Twice of ut plus r of t minus r of t minus 1. Is it crystal clear? Is it crystal clear? I think it is clear to you. So this is how you can write the mathematical equation, guy. This is very easy. Now this question I am expecting from you all. Next question. This next question I am expecting you can write Rishabh and Kalyan. You both can write the equation in chat box. I will check your answer. I am giving you 2-minute time, and after that I will solve this. Okay. You need to solve this, guys. All of you try to solve it. I am just checking your answer. I am giving you 1-minute time. After 1 minute, I will solve this. You can take your time of 1 minute and try to solve it. Tell me, guys, is it crystal clear? Is this crystal clear or not? Okay, okay, very nice, very nice. I am very happy with Rishabh. Rishabh, kya baat hai, Rishabh. So x of t, first of all, you should write twice of ut. You can check your answer. Twice of ut will come for sure. Very nice. So after that, we have to achieve this upward sign. So plus sign, the slope of this line is 1. So 1 into r of t minus 0. So rt only. Yeah. Very guys, very good, very good. Now this ramp signal is going like this. First of all, we have to compensate the last slope. So we should write minus r of t minus cover. Now right now, student, you are here. You are observing from here. So you need to check, कि sir, we have to travel like this. Ultimately, you have to travel like this. Yeah. So you will see a ulta step. You will see a ulta step. Yeah. Ulta step which is traveling 3 distance in the downward direction because 3 to 0. So you will have minus 3 into u of t minus 1. Yeah. So what you will have? You will have this value, guys. Twice of ut plus rt minus 1 and minus 3 into ut minus 1. Exactly same. Very good, Rishabh. Very good. I am very happy with your answer. Shabash. I hope it is clear to all of you. Kalyan. Kalyan, I think you miss t minus 1 location. Minus 3 ut is correct. But location you have missed, beta Kalyan. Location of the moment is 1 na. So last point should be minus 3 ut minus 1. Yes. Maybe typing error here. I think you are already getting the answer. Again, this question I am expecting that just like the last question you have written here in the chat box, just like this, try to solve this, guys. Try to solve this by your individual effort, please. It is a little bit complex equation, but if you will solve this, it will definitely improve your confidence. It will definitely improve your confidence, yes. All of you guys just do reply fast. Is it clear to you? Chali. I am giving you proper time for writing, student. I am giving you proper time for writing. Yes. Try to attempt this. Okay, so Rishabh, twice UT plus twice RT minus twice RT minus 1 minus का 3 into U of, I think you are writing you have missed, no problem, I can understand. 0.5 into RT minus 3 minus के साथ प्लस के साथ, क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है यार ऋषभ, क्या बात है, शाबाश. So x of t I am writing here twice of ut first of, twice of ut मतलब here. After that you have to check the slope. Sorry, difference in y is 2, 1, so slope will be plus 2 into r of location t, twice of rt. So right now like this we have to come downwards, so minus sign minus. Location of moment is minus का twice into r of t minus 1, minus का twice into rt minus 1. Again when you will see here from here to here you will have a step nature. So 4 to 1 it means minus का 3. So you should write minus का 3 into u of t minus 1. Minus का 3 into u of t minus 1 ये. So now coming to downward guys, what is the slope of this line? Difference in y upon difference in x 1 by 2. So it is nothing but minus का half, minus का 1 by 2, and the location of moment is r of t minus का 3. Minus half r of t minus का 3 ये. After that student you should go upward direction, so you should write plus 1 by 2 and the location of moment is 5, so r of t minus का 5 ये. So this is nothing but your final answer guys. This is nothing but your final answer of x of t. This is nothing but your final answer of x of t. Tell me hi na Rishabh. Bolo 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 bolo. Rishabh and Kalyan. Very nice. ऋषभ says that सर ये तो आपने इतना अच्छा कराया था कि आसानी से भूल नहीं सकते सर, इतना बड़े बेसिक क्वेश्चन में स्टिल रिवीजन की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Very good ऋषभ, very good. I told many times it is not in your hand to forget something if you understand in a perfect way. आपके हाथ में ही नहीं है भूलना. जैसे 2 + 2 4 होता है, इसको कैसे भूलोगे, इसी तरह इतना आसान बन चुका है ये जो लोग पहले क्लासेस में पढ़े. शाबाश, वेरी गुड बेटा ऋषभ, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट you are still know how to write this equation. So beta, you should just write a comment. Tell me how many of you already commented in the previous videos. Whatever your past experience, if you attended my any classes, you should share your experience in the comment section of the videos, okay? So that whenever any future learner will come, they will also have a motivation to watch the complete session. Okay guys, so as you all know, we are having 1 hour series on daily morning 11 AM to 12 from Tuesday to Friday. Okay, from Tuesday to Friday, because Saturday Sunday will be having the offline classes and all. So dear student, those who are looking for the free access of the IMS GATE Academy paid classes, you can just enroll in the zero fee program, and the zero fee program link is given in the description. And student, also we are providing the student advisory numbers in the red strip. Whenever you will get time, you can directly contact to the counselor. They will help you how to start the GATE preparation journey with the IMS GATE Academy. Sir, I am having college exam, that was I am unable to attend. Okay, no problem Rishabh. Whenever you will get time, you can attend, and you can share the link at least to your juniors also. Okay Rishabh? Chaliye. So okay guys, thank you. That's all from today's session. As I already told you, in the next class we will discuss about some more mathematical representation of signal waveform part 2. In the part 2, some more basic examples will come. GATE question also will come. And after that, I will teach you how to integrate the signal waveform or how to differentiate the signal waveform. This is very, very important guys. Okay. चलिए. Okay प्यारे बच्चों. So that's all from today's class. We'll meet in next class.